you're experiencing issues with syncing your CS2 account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize the process. This guide will help you resolve common syncing problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause syncing issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that your CS2 game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including syncing issues. Check for updates through the game launcher or platform you are using. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Double-check your account credentials to ensure you are logging in with the correct username and password. If you have recently changed your password, make sure to use the updated one. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data of the game can resolve many issues. Go to your device settings, find the CS2 app and clear its cache. Restart the app and try syncing again. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to the game support team. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your CS2 account sync issues effectively. If problems continue, staying in touch with support will help ensure a resolution.